Welcome to our comprehensive guide on video editing. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, video editing is a crucial step in creating engaging content. First up, choosing the right video editing software. Consider factors like user interface, available features, and your budget. Now that you've chosen a software, let's set up your project. This includes naming your project and selecting the right video format and resolution. Next, let's import media. You can add clips and resources to your timeline by dragging files from your folders. Time to dive into basic editing tools. Learn how to cut, trim, and split your clips to craft a structured video flow. Enhance your footage by adding transitions and effects. Smooth transitions can make your video more professional. Don't forget about audio. Adding background music and sound effects can significantly elevate your video's impact. Adding text and titles is essential for context. Make sure your captions and overlays are clear and visually appealing. Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to export. Choose the right format for your audience, whether it's for YouTube, social media, or other platforms.